Okay, so now that I've looked at the different parts that make up the Inventor's kit, I'm going to install my Arduino and then see what it can do with some tutorials. So, looking at the booklet, the first step is to go on the internet and download the software itself. So it's got a website for that, so just type that in. Let's see, Arduino .cc/n/main, oops, turn on the caps lock there, main/software, okay, and then if we hit download, this one I guess, OS 10, okay, start the process. So next we get to connect the Arduino into the actual computer. So I've got my cable all undone now, so just run it over there, and of course the beast itself. So just wait for it to finish installing and then plug it in. Try and make sure you can see it all the time. That should about do. Okay, it's just finished, so that's perfect. Next it says, well, hold on, just plug it in. Just try and get this right. Nope, up the wrong way. There we go. Typical USB. Never get it in the right way first time. Okay, install drivers. So if we go to the websites that it states, it's a specific one for Mac here. So it's Arduino again, so I'm going to type that bit in. cc/n/guide Mac OS 10, there we go. Alright, this looks like a guide to how to install the whole thing actually. So I've done that part, got the cable, downloaded the software. Okay, install the software. If you're using Arduino Uno, then you don't have to install any drivers. Skip to the next step. That's handy, means we have less to do before I can get started. Connect the board. Oh, kind of already did that anyway, so guess we'll move on. Launch the Arduino application. And open the LED blink example sketch. Oops, there we go. Looks just like processing, which I used in my last brief. Strange. Maybe they're made by the same company. So, file, examples, basics, blink. Just get rid of the original one. It's empty. Try and drag that over there. You can still see the Arduino, or not so well. Just bring that into view. Oh, got a little light on to show that it's working. Okay, so scroll down, select your board, so tools, board, Arduino Uno. Looks like it's already selected, so that's good. Skip ahead. Select your serial port, so for the Uno we want tty.usb modem. So we've got tools, serial port, and it looks like it's also already got the correct one selected, so that's good. And upload the program, so just hit the upload button, wait a few seconds, and if it's successful we should get a message saying done uploading. And now I'll just remove this so I can see what else it says. Ooh. Hit the wrong button there. Oh dear. Cancel that. Should see the RX and TX LEDs on the board flashing. A done uploading message appear in the status bar. And then after a few seconds the pin 13 LED should blink in orange. And then it'll be up and running if all that works as intended. So if you just hit upload, I'll just get the board so we can see anything that's happening. So we've got the board there. So hit upload. This is oh, we just got 2 blinking, so I guess that was those 2. And now we've got the pin 13 light successfully blinking on and off. Won't be able to see the numbers, but you can see the light going on and off there. So I guess that's kind of it. We're ready to roll with some tutorials now. Just have a look in the booklet to check that there was nothing like missed out in this guide. It's got about the selecting the right board here. It says here for the tutorials I'm going to have to download some sample code, so I'll just do that now. Close that. Yeah, we'll quit for now. Just type in the new web address. So Spark Fun, the people that make the board itself, I guess. .com/sick code. That stands for Spark Fun Inventor's Kit, by the way. It's not trying to say that it's really cool. Okay, so okay, I don't know what happened there. It didn't seem to actually do anything. Alright, let me just try that again. sparkfun.com/sick code. Oh, it's like a download thing. Downloaded so quick I just didn't even notice before. Okay, I've got 2 versions of it now. Let's get that one. What does that say I have to do with it? Apparently it should come in a zip file. Unzip the file sick guide code. So here it is, sick guide code. It should be located in your browser's download folder, which it is. Right click the zipped folder and choose unzip. So I guess it's in here. Or not. Well, apparently it's not zipped, so I'll just carry on. Find Arduino in your applications folder and then right click on the Arduino bit, select show package contents. Alright, it's going to get a bit complicated now, so I don't know if I've actually got in applications at the moment. Nope, I don't seem to. So if I just drag in Arduino, now that's in place as an application. Find the Arduino folder in my applications. Don't know if that will appear if I go back in. Doesn't seem to be a folder, it seems to just be the thing itself. So I'm not really sure what it's asking. Maybe I just right click that. So it says show package contents. So then we've got contents it says to go into. Then into resources. Then into Java.